which number is replace the question mark? Here is some number in this table, like first row or column here is 4, second row here is 6 and 2, third row 9, 3, 1, and finally 19, 10, 7 and question mark. It means we don't know the number. But look, each row has some relation. We have to find out the relation. Look how these 4 come. If we think, look, 4 equals to the second row here is 6 minus 2. It means just next row, once we subtract the next number, we will get upper row number. Similar, here is 6. Look, here is 6, but we have to find out the relation between 9 and 3. Once we subtract 9 and 3, 9 minus 3, we will get 6. Similar, these two, the next row is 3 and next number is 1. Look, 2 is become 3 minus 1. Similar, this 9, the next row first number is 19 and next number is 10. So 19 minus 10, it will be 9. How 3 become? Look, next row 3, next is 10 and next number is 7. So 10 minus 7, it will be 3. So how this one come? Look, this next number is 6. Look, next number is 7. So it should, in the question mark position, the replace number is 6. So 7 minus 6, it will be 1. So answer is 6. Okay, it means this is a number and this one we have to subtract. It means if this one is x, this one is y and this one is z, it means x equals to y minus z. Okay, and this is a theory. Our right answer is 6. If you have any question, please let me know the point in the comments box. And if you find any best way to find the result, please share with me in the comments box. Thank you.